In today's video, I want to walk you through a successful Google ad campaign for a water and mold restoration company that in the last 30 days has generated 17 qualified leads. Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClicksGeek. Before we get started, if you can please click the thumbs up below, I would greatly appreciate that. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more great content like this. Okay, let's dive into this campaign. So we are spending currently we have a budget of $175 per day. We have 17 leads at $230 per lead, which is about where we want to be at. We have spent a total of $3,921.13 in this 30 days, and then we have a conversion rate of 21.52%. So on this particular campaign, we're driving both calls and lead form. So the consumer has the option to fill out the actual lead form on the page itself that they reach, or they have the option to dial from a landline device or a mobile device directly from the page. So let's take a look at the ad groups that we're using on this campaign. So we have water damage, water removal, mold remediation, water damage cleanup, sewer cleanup, mold removal, Pueblo water restoration, mold remediation, Colorado Springs. And then these are driving the majority of the conversions. And then we have a target CPA of $280 per lead set up on this campaign. So let's take a look at the keywords that we're using. So on remediation and restoration stuff, sometimes we'll use broad match in order to get a lot more volume on that. On the campaigns. So we have, as you'll see, we have some broad match, we have exact match and phrase match as well. So we're using flood damage service, water damage Pueblo, water damage restoration repair, water restoration Pueblo Co. That'd be a geolocation campaign or keyword. Sewer cleanup, water leak emergency service, and then these are driving the majority of the conversions here that we have, as you can tell. So if you're interested in having our company build a successful campaign like this for your business, please reach out to us by using the application link that's just down in the description below this video. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.